Welcome to the game show Wonders of the World, where our contestants will use their reading skills to explore the fascinating world of living things. They'll use the clues provided in the text to draw conclusions. All right, let's meet our contestants. On the left, we have Caroline. And on the right, we have Anthony. Are you both ready to play?
Hi everyone, welcome to the Book Nook. I'm on a game show, can you believe it?
Are we ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let's get started with our first round. Here is your first informational text. Cheetahs are known for their incredible speed, reaching up to 70 miles per hour. They have long, slender bodies, powerful legs, and a flexible spine that helps them move swiftly across the savanna toward an unsuspecting gazelle. The question is, why do you think cheetahs need to be so fast?
Okay, let's see. The text says they can run 70 miles per hour, but where does it say why?
Got it! Cheetahs need to be fast to catch their prey on the open savanna.
Great job, Anthony! Correct!
Oh, wait, how did I miss where the text says why cheetahs need to be fast? How did Anthony know that?
Okay, here's the next text. Birds are often seen flying in a V formation, each bird slightly behind and above the bird in front. This helps them catch the air that the bird in front makes with its wings. The question is, how does the V formation make flights easier for birds?
Easier for birds. Easier for birds. That is not stated in the text.
Oh, I know. The V formation makes flights easier because they can save energy. The birds in the back get a lift from the air created from the wings of the birds in the front.
Amazing job! You are correct!
Wait, what? Do you see anywhere in the text where it's directly stated that the V formation makes flying easier? Let's take a minute to pause. Write down what you think is happening here. How does Anthony know all the answers?
Caroline, are you okay?
No, I'm really confused. Somehow you keep getting the correct answers, but I guess I don't see what you're seeing in the text. How did you know why cheetahs run fast? And how did you know that the V formation makes flying easier? Those words and phrases were not in the texts. It didn't say cheetahs run fast because, or the V formation makes flying easier by.
Oh, well, I was just making inferences.
Inferences? What are those?
Well, folks, it looks like we might need to clear some things up for one of our contestants. Let's go to commercial break and we'll be right back with Wonders of the World.
Okay, Caroline, let's look at these texts again so we can talk about making inferences. When you make an inference, you can use clues from the texts and what you already know to draw conclusions that aren't stated directly. The text doesn't say the exact words, cheetahs run fast, because you're right, but it does give us some helpful clues. Look here. It says the cheetah is moving swiftly toward a gazelle. I already knew that cheetahs hunt prey like gazelles and antelope. Based on what's in the text and what I already know, I can infer why cheetahs run fast, to be able to catch up to their prey.
I think I get it. The clues are there, I just have to think about what I already know. The author won't always directly state every single fact.
Exactly. Take another look at the bird text. Can you see how I made my inference?
Can you see how Anthony made an inference? What clues does the text give us to help infer or draw a conclusion based on clues? Pause here to underline or highlight the clues in the text that helped Anthony get the right answer. Now I see. Right here it says that birds catch the air created by the birds in front of them. That would definitely make it easier for them to fly and save their energy.
Great job! I think you're ready for the next round.
All right, we're back with Wonders of the World. For those just tuning in, Anthony is in the lead with 2 correct inferences. Can Caroline make a comeback? Let's see. Here's the next text. Chameleons are amazing creatures known for their ability to change color. This ability helps them blend into their surroundings, which helps them avoid being seen. The question is, how do chameleons stay safe from predators?
Okay, what do you think, friends? Pause here to make an inference. Draw a conclusion using the clues in the text. Based on the clues in the text and what I know about why animals might want to blend into their surroundings, I think the chameleon's ability to change color is what helps them stay safe. The predators can't see them as easily.
Amazing job, Caroline! That is correct!
You did it, Caroline. You inferred that the chameleon's ability to change color is what helps them stay safe from predators, animals that might want to eat them for lunch.
There you have it, folks. By combining what the text says with our own knowledge, we can draw conclusions by making inferences. Come back next time for more Wonders of the World!
What a great game! Today we continued reading informational texts to draw conclusions. As readers, we learned that thinking about what the text says and what we already know can help us draw conclusions by making inferences. And from our reading, we learned about some amazing living things and the special features they have and do that help them survive. You'll keep making inferences as you continue with today's lesson. Remember to keep working on your goals, and we'll see you next time here in the Book Nook.
Hey, hey.